Hi, welcome to the Native Wildman channel. Your host, Sean Catfish Wilson today. And in the mail, I received a package from Sharpening Supplies. So this is going to be a quick unboxing video. Okay, pull out my handy dandy knife. Look at that, I'm getting my knife dirty. Can you believe it? Okay. Packing paper. Alright, we have, oh, hey, let's wrap them together. A leather strap, just on a piece of wood, from sharpeningsupplies.com. Then we also have a glass stone from Shapton. It is the 120 grit. Okay. Okay, here this is Shapton glass stone, 120 grit. I got some knives I need to redo. I was going to get an Atona diamond stone, but I decided to go with a Shapton because I don't have a Shapton yet and it's cheaper. So, and I was able to get a leather strap paddle. So, there you go. Now you all know how to use a stone. I'm not going to use this knife on the stone, of course, but however, yeah. Apply very little pressure. Yeah, I like this. Here we go. So there you go. Peace and long life.